Hi, hello everyone. This is Yuvraj. Welcome to my ఛానల్. ఈరోజు మనం ఈ క్లాస్లో ఐసో సిరీస్ గురించి క్లియర్గా డీటెయిల్గా డిస్కస్ చేసుకుందామా. సో ఐసోటోప్స్ ఐసోబార్స్ గురించి క్లారిటీ వచ్చినాడు కదండి. మరి లేట్ ఎందుకు నెక్స్ట్ టైమ్స్ కూడా డిస్కస్ చేద్దాం. థర్డ్ వన్ ఈస్ ఐసోటోన్స్. Isotones. Simply, in this case, number of neutrons are same, but atomic number and mass number are different. Having same number of neutrons but different atomic number and mass number are called isotones. So we are saying here clearly atomic number means Z and mass number means A. Both are different. If mass number and atomic number both are different, that means number of protons, number of electrons are different. So simply because of that reason we can say protons are same but atomic number mass numbers are both are different. Because of that reason both physical and chemical properties of the isotones are different. Let us discuss one simple example. I am taking carbon and oxygen. Very simply, carbon and oxygen. Carbon atomic number 6 and I am taking 14 and oxygen atomic number 8. I am taking 16. So in this case, number of neutrons formula you know very well. What is that? A minus Z, mass number minus atomic number. So here what is the mass number? 14. Atomic number 6. So how much? 8. Here also N is equals to here 16 minus 8. Total number of neutrons in this case 8. Here also total number of neutrons are 8. So simply here this carbon and oxygen both are acts as a isotones. One more example we are discussing sodium and magnesium. 11, 12. Here 24. Here 24. Here 23. In this case also you can find out 23 minus 11. How many? 12 neutrons. Here also number of neutrons is equal to 24 minus 12. How many? 12 neutrons. Simply having same number of neutrons but different atomic mass numbers are called isotones. మరి isotones గురించి క్లియర్గా అర్థమైనట్టే కదండి. Let us discuss next term isodiaphers. Next term is isodiaphers. What are isodiaphers? Very simply here, see this isotopic number, nothing but A minus 2Z is also called as isotopic number. So having same isotopic number, which is also we can indicate as the difference between number of neutrons to the atomic number of neutrons, but different atomic and mass number containing species. Let us discuss with one simple example. I am taking, if you see, before going to example, if you see atomic number different, mass number also different. So A value different, A, Z, both are different. Am I right? Both are different. So based on this, physical and chemical properties are different. Physical and chemical properties also different. Right? I am taking one simple example. What are them? I am taking fluorine. I am taking fluorine 919 and sodium 1123. Sodium 1123. If you see, what is the A minus 2Z formula for this calculation? Means mass number is 19 minus 2 into atomic number is 9. How much? 19 minus 18. Here 1. If you calculate for this, here 23 minus 2 into atomic number 11. That means here also if you calculate for this, here 23 minus 22. Simply these two having same number of A minus 2Z. That's why these are called isodiaphers. These are called isodiaphers. Mari ఐసో సిరీస్ లో నెక్స్ట్ టర్మ్ అయిన ఐసో స్టర్స్ గురించి డిస్కస్ చేద్దామా రండి. ఐసో స్టర్స్ మీన్స్ having same atomicity and same number of electrons containing molecules. Very simply here one of the important term is atomicity. What is the meaning of the atomicity? Atomicity means nothing but same number of atoms. Atomicity ante endala atomicity. If you see, I am taking carbon dioxide and nitrous oxide. Here atomicity for this, here 1 carbon and 2 oxygens. 1 plus 2, how much? 3. Here 2 nitrogens, 1 oxygen, how much? 3. And number of electrons, carbon atomic number 6 plus 2 oxygens, 2 into oxygen atomic number 8, means 6 plus 16, how much? 22. Here nitrogens 2, nitrogen atomic number 7 plus oxygens 1, atomic number 8. That means if you see in this case 14 plus 8, how much? 22. Having same atomicity and same number of electrons, then they are called isosters. And one of the example for this one is B3N3H6 and C6H6 benzene. Here also atomicity equals to 6. 6 plus 3 plus 3, total 12. Here, so in this case atomicity of the borazole is 3 plus 3 plus 6, it is 12. Here also 6 plus 6, it is 12. And in this case the number of electrons, if you take 3 into boron atomic number 5, 3 into 7 plus 6 into 1, total 42. Here 6 into 6 plus 6 into 1, total 42. Means both are having same atomicity and same number of electrons. And the last one is isoelectronic series or species. Isoelectronic series or species. What is the importance of this one? What is the main point of this one? Having same number of electrons containing series is called isoelectronic series. Let us discuss very simple example. I am taking N minus 3, O minus 2, F minus neon, Na plus and Mg plus 2 and Al plus 3. So if you see this, neon atomic number is 10. Here sodium atomic number is 11. Because of 1 electron losing, it contains 10 electrons. Here magnesium 12, by the loss of 2 electrons, it contains 10 electrons. Aluminium 13. By the loss of 3 electrons, it contains 10 electrons. 10 electrons. Right. So all these cases, if you see positive ions case, we calculated. So positive ions case, we calculated number of electrons. Let us discuss in case of anions. Fluorine atomic number 9, and because of 1 electron gaining, total electrons are 10. Here oxygen atomic number 8. By the gain of 2 electrons, total number of electrons are 10. Here 7 atomic number for the nitrogen. By the gain of 3 electrons, total number of electrons are 10. Simply all these contain same number of electrons. That's why all these are called isoelectronic series or species. Right? Very simple. Having same number of electrons containing species are called isoelectronic. మరి ఈరోజు మనం ఐసో సిరీస్ గురించి క్లియర్గా డీటెయిల్గా చెప్పుకున్నట్టే కదండి. ఇప్పుడు వీటి మీద మీకు క్లారిటీ అర్థమైనట్టే కదండి. రైట్? ఐసోటోప్స్, ఐసోబార్స్, ఐసో డయాఫాస్, ఐసోటోన్స్, ఐసో ఎలక్ట్రానిక్, ఐసోస్టర్స్, వీటన్నిటి గురించి క్లియర్గా మన క్లాస్లో చెప్పుకున్నాం. రైట్? ఛానల్ని ఫాలో చేయండి, లైక్ చేయండి, కామెంట్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి. కెమిస్ట్రీలో గుడ్ స్కోర్ సాధించండి. ఛానల్ని ఫాలో చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి.